Good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining us today for our Veterans Day assembly where we honor our veterans and quite honestly, their families too. We want our veterans to know that this is a very special day where we want to show how much we honor you in your service. And this is why we bring our entire district together. Because this is a great day and it is a great reason to bring all these great students together to honor you. And today we also have joining us, we're streaming this live on KUBS FM, so we wanted our families who couldn't be here today, so hopefully they're watching on live streaming with us today. So, with that, thank you for being here. Veterans, we hope you enjoy this assembly. It's for you. And we'll start it off by our band performing Hillcrest Pageant. And then I will turn it over to Flavie Stutzman, and she'll take it from there.
Thank you, band. I'm Flavie Stutzman, and I am your Executive Leadership Committee Chair and Junior Class ASB President. Thank you for your presence in this day, honoring our community veterans and those currently serving. We are gathered here today to honor those who have served, the ones who are serving, and the ones we have lost along the way. Throughout history, courageous men and women have put their lives on the line to serve our country and guard the freedoms that we usually take for granted. These veterans deserve the utmost respect and the highest honor we can give them. They put their freedoms on the line to protect ours. Without heroic veterans sacrificing and protecting our rights, America would not be the country it is today. So thank you, veterans, for serving our country and protecting our freedoms. Now please rise for the playing of our national anthem, the Star-Spangled Banner, played by the Newport High School Band and performed by the Newport High School Choir and Stratton Elementary third graders. Thank you. At this time, our band, choir, and third graders will be performing a piece called God Bless America. Thank you, Mr. Munson, Newport High School Band and Choir, and Stratton Elementary third graders. Now, Josie Moser and Mr. Bowman will perform Traveling Soldier, a song written about a young man that sacrificed his freedom and life to serve our country in the Vietnam War.
Make sure so bring it nice and close.
Okay. 2 days past 18, he was waiting for the bus in his army green, sat down in a booth cafe there, gave his order to a girl with a bow in her hair. He's a little shy, so she gave him a smile, and he said, would you mind sitting down for a while and talking to me? Feeling a little low. Said I'm off in an hour and out of where we can go. So they went down and they sat on the pier. Said I bet you got a boyfriend, but I don't care. I got no one. Send a letter to. Would you mind if I sent one back here to you? I cried, never gonna hold the hand of another guy too young. And they told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end. Wait for the soldier to come back again, never more to be alone. When the letter said it, soldiers coming home. So the letters came from an army camp in California, then Vietnam, and he told her of his heart might be love and all the things he was so scared of. Said when it's getting kinda rough over here, think of that day sitting down at the pier, and I close my eyes, see your pretty smile. Don't worry, but I won't be able to ride for a while.
Thank you, Josie Moser and Mr. Bowman. Please direct your attention to the Stratton Elementary third graders who will be singing the patriotic song, America the Beautiful. The fourth verse has been written especially for this occasion by Stratton Elementary students. The lyrics are available for your viewing on the screen above. Thank you, third graders. The Newport High School Band and Choir will now play Armed Forces, Pride of America. Armed Forces, Pride of America is a medley of 5 American military service songs. The anthems include Navy, the Caisson Song, Marines, the Marines Hymn, Navy, Anchors Away, the Coast Guard, Semper Paratus, and the final anthem is the U.S. Air Force. Veterans, when you hear and see your branch anthem projected above, please rise if you are able.
the United States Army,
Over hill, over dale, we will hit the dusty trail, and the caissons go rolling along. In and out, hear the shouts, counter march and right about, and the caissons go rolling along. And it's high, high heaving, the field artillery, shout out your numbers loud and strong. For wherever you go, you will always know that the caissons go rolling along.
the United States Marines,
From the halls of Montezuma to the shores of Tripoli, we will fight our country's battles in the air, on land and sea. First to fight for right and freedom, and to keep our honor clean. We are proud to claim the title of United States Marines.
the United States Navy,
Anchors away, my boys, anchors away. Farewell to college joys, we sail at break of day, day, day. Through our last night on shore, drink to the bone, until we meet once more. We wish you a happy voyage home.
the United States Coast Guard,
We're always ready for the call. We place our trust in Thee. Through surf and storm and howling gale, high shall our word bliss be. Semper Practice is our guide, our fame and glory too. To fight, to save, to fight and die. I Coast Guard, we are for you.
the United States Air Force,
Off we go into wild blue yonder, climbing high into the sun. Here they come, ready to meet our thunder. And boys, give her the gun. Down the dive, starting to flame from under. Off on one terrible course, we live in pain, roll down and blink. Ain't nothing to stop the U.S. Air Force. America, America, my home, America.
Thank you, band and choir. Mr. Don Kendrick, will you please join me for the presentation of the wreath from the Newport High School ASB? Mr. Kendrick, will you please share with our students the information on the Veterans Day ceremony in Newport?
I will, yes. In 1919, the U.S. signed an agreement, peace agreement on to end the World War. That's the Great War is what they called it. And they signed that on the 11th month of the 11th hour. I forgot what to say. It. They signed it on the 11th month and 11th hour. Because of that, we celebrate the Armistice Day, the first day of peace of the First World War, on the 11th hour and the 11th day of the 11th month. So this coming Saturday on the 11th, we'll be holding a ceremony celebrating that armistice at the Newport Cemetery at the 11th hour, the 11th day. Please join us.
Thank you, Mr. Kendrick. We appreciate your time and service.
Thank you very much.
Now please rise, remove all hats, and stand in silence for the playing of Taps by Anna Jones. Taps is a military song played to honor those who have served and are now deceased. Thank you, Anna. Please join me again in thanking our veterans one more time. Dr. Smith, will you please join me at the podium to conclude our Veterans Day Assembly?
Thank you, Flavi. I have a few thank yous before we all leave. Really want to thank Mr. Brownell, Mr. Munson, and our high school band and choir, and please give a round of applause for our young performers. They did a great job today. And for Kai and Josie getting up here, I can imagine being a second grader playing in front of all of you. What a terrific job she did. And I want to thank our kitchen staff, Belinda and Jill, for getting our coffee and donuts ready today. And also for Mr. Bradbury, Mr. Litowitz, and our KUBS FM crew for streaming today. And we'll also have it on air so we can watch it again. So I want to thank each and every one of you for being here today and for all you've done to get this wonderful assembly together, and for all of our students for being so attentive and doing a great job. So, veterans, if you could please rise, and we'll have you dismiss first, but everybody, one more round of applause for our veterans. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you for your service, and we truly honor you. So I'll have Mr. Bolden escort our veterans out so that they don't get caught in the fray of 1,100 students trying to leave.